what do you tolerate that quietly trains people how to treat you? It's everything that you don't push back on. When someone shows up late repeatedly and you say nothing, you've taught them that your time doesn't matter. When they make dismissive comments about things that you care about and you laugh it off, you've taught them that your interests are acceptable targets. When they cancel plans last minute or only reach out when they need something or talk over you in conversations and you stay pleasant and accommodating, you've communicated that this is how the relationship works. You tolerate these things because confrontation feels worse than the behavior. You tell yourself it's not a big deal, or that bringing it up would make you look sensitive or demanding, or that maybe you're overreacting. But what you're doing is prioritizing their comfort over your dignity, and people learn quickly. Yeah, people learn quickly. They might not consciously realize they're treating you poorly, but they register that certain behaviors don't have consequences, so those behaviors continue. This pattern gets established because at some point you've probably absorbed the belief that expressing needs or setting boundaries makes you difficult. Maybe you watched somebody get punished for standing up for themselves, or maybe you learned that keeping peace is like your job. So you become this person who absorbs bad treatment to avoid conflict. Either way, you started treating your own standards as optional and other people followed your lead. The insidious part of all of that is that the longer you tolerate something, the harder it becomes to address. If someone has been disrespecting your time for months and you suddenly object, they're going to act confused and defensive because you've never indicated it as a problem. You've inadvertently made yourself responsible for their bad behavior by not naming it early. What shifts is recognizing that boundaries aren't punishments or ultimatums. They're just information about what you will and won't accept. When someone crosses a line, you can say something simple and clear without making it a huge confrontation. The goal isn't to change them, it's to stop participating in your own mistreatment. Some people will adjust, others will reveal that they were only interested in the version of the relationship where you require nothing from them. Either way, you get useful information about who actually respects you.